we get to ride in a new car and everything. Where should we go for dinner, George?
Oh, let's just drive around till we come to a place that looks interesting.
Maybe some little cafe that's small and cozy and has good food.
Sounds wonderful.
Maybe Italian food.
Oh, I could go for some spaghetti and meatballs tonight.
Me too. The kind of place that has red and white checkered tablecloths and soft music.
Hazel, you know such a place?
No, but Charlie Carlotti does. He told me about it.
Well, where is it?
You mean he didn't give you one of them cards that says Antonio's Little Italy?
Well, I haven't seen Charlie in a long while.
He's been scattering them around like they was confetti.
Charlie must really like the place.
Oh, sure. He says that when we go there, be sure and give Tony his love and tell him that he sent us.
Well, you must know Tony real well.
Oh, sure. Tony is his nephew. Come on, everybody. What are we waiting for? Yeah. It's down the highway a little, Mr. B. You want me to drive?
Hazel, we'll both drive as usual. Me in the front, you in the back.
My, what a charming little place.
I don't see any cars.
The lights are on inside. Well, maybe it's just too early for the dinner trade.
Wonder why anyone would open a restaurant way out here.
Well, if the food's good, the people will find it.
Know what they say about you build a better mousetrap, Mr. B?
Sure, but who wants mice?